Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about evolution of biotechnology in a simple and easy way. This topic is very important for M.Pharm students, B.Pharm students and also biotech students. So let's start from the beginning. What is a biotechnology? Biotechnology means the controlled use of living organisms or biological systems to produce useful products. For example, making bread using yeast, producing antibiotics, developing vaccines. In simple words, using biology for human benefit is a biotechnology. Plant biotechnology. Plant biotechnology is using scientific techniques to improve plants. It helps in increasing crop yield, making disease resistant plants, producing better quality food. History of biotechnology. Now let's understand how biotechnology evolved over time. Prehistoric biotechnology. Around 4000 BC. Early humans used biotechnology without knowing it. Use of wild plants, use of is to make bread, beer, wine. Start of agriculture, crop rotation. Even philosophers like Socrates talk about inheritance. Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1673 observed living cells for the first time. Historical biotechnology 1700 to 1800 AD. Now science started developing discoveries. Edward Jenner in 1796 developed smallpox vaccine. Louis Pasteur in 1863 explained fermentation. Gregor Mendel in 1865 gave laws of inheritance. Pasteur and Emile Roux in 1885 developed rabies vaccine. Modern biotechnology 1900 onwards. Now biotechnology became advanced and scientific. Important discoveries. Robert Koch in 1890 gave Koch's postulates for diseases. Hugo de Reyes 1900 proposed mutation theory. Walter Sutton 1902 discovered chromosomes roles. Thomas Morgan 1907 proved role of chromosomes in heredity. William Johnson in 1909 introduced the word gene. Frederick Griffith in 1928 discovered transforming principle. Alexander Fleming in 1928 discovered penicillin antibiotic. James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953 discovered DNA double helix structure. 1970s start of recombinant DNA technology, beginning of genetic engineering. Quickly revise, biotechnology start from simple fermentation to advanced genetic engineering. Key stages: prehistoric or natural use, historical or scientific discoveries, and modern or DNA and genetic engineering. So that's all about evolution of biotechnology in a simple language. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to the answer question in the comment below. See you in the next video.